Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Loom AI Receptionist, an AI-powered virtual receptionist designed to answer business phone calls automatically. Whether you own a small business, a clinic, a salon, a real estate agency, or any company that receives customer calls, this tool aims to make sure you never miss another opportunity. So, what exactly does Loom AI Receptionist do? Instead of hiring someone to answer every incoming call, Loom AI Receptionist uses artificial intelligence to speak with your customers naturally. It can greet callers, answer frequently asked questions, collect customer information, schedule appointments, transfer important calls, and even take detailed messages when you're unavailable. One of the biggest advantages is that it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That means your business can continue responding to customers even after office hours. Now let's talk about logging in and getting started. First, create your Loom AI Receptionist account using your email address. After verifying your account, log in to the dashboard. From there, you'll connect your business phone number or choose a supported number provided by the platform. The next step is customization. You can train the AI by adding information about your business, such as your services, business hours, pricing, frequently asked questions, and appointment availability. The more details you provide, the more accurate and natural the AI's responses become. Before going live, it's a good idea to test the AI by making a few sample calls yourself. This helps you check how it answers questions and lets you fine-tune its responses if needed. So, is Loom AI Receptionist actually worth using? If your business regularly misses calls, receives the same questions repeatedly, or wants to provide customer support around the clock, this AI can save both time and money. Instead of letting potential customers hang up, it ensures every call is answered quickly and professionally. Of course, it's not a complete replacement for human staff in every situation. Complex customer issues or sensitive conversations may still require a real person. But for handling routine calls, booking appointments, and collecting customer information, it can be a valuable business assistant. Overall, Loom AI Receptionist offers an easy way to automate customer communication without needing advanced technical skills. If you're looking for an AI receptionist that works day and night, it's definitely worth exploring. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you'd trust an AI to answer your business calls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.